I'm gonna show you how to make your games look better on Nvidia. So first things first, you go to display settings and you make sure you go to graphic settings and hold on, not optimize our games. It should be advanced settings. Uh, just and then you make sure it's the highest refresh rate. Color management. Um, you can disable these profiles. It's not a good idea. So disable those if you know how to do it. Next, we're going to go Nvidia Control Panel. Let's make this big. So that's my 140 hertz. I use Nvidia color settings. Put it as high as 32. Put 8PC and this one YCBCR444 limited. So that's there. Use advanced settings. Preference, I put quality. So my first setting is sharpen 50. I put quality, and this one I put 8x. Well, I put 16 if I wanted to. 8x, 16 is up to you. At the ASing 4x. All native resolution 4x. 33% smoothness. G-Sync compatible. Optimal power. Highest available. Shader catch on. I leave those off. Clamp bias. I put quality on. Auto triple buffer off. Make sure resolution at the top highest. For colors, I put use Nvidia settings, so it looks better. So you play with these. Put 50% vibrance, looks nicer. Let's see. You need to rotate. I don't need audio. This I don't need. This upsize position I don't need. G-Sync, I enabled it. If you have G-Sync. Use Nvidia settings for colors. I left it like that, like that. You could play. Make sure it's full 255. And use Nvidia settings. Put 100% edge enhancement. For noise reduction, just put like 30%. Depends on your taste. So that's how you can improve your visuals in your Nvidia settings for your games. So after you do this, your games will be a lot prettier. But you could do it the Itch-Jarian way of making the game faster, but less quality and making the picture less pretty. Because if you do it this way, you'll get more color, more detail in your game. And look at totally different time systems. It'll look like in between PS3 and PS4 graphics. Most likely Xbox, like the last generation, probably 360. That quality. So yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit a like, smash the button, and subscribe. And that's how you set up NVIDIA for making your games prettier. Thanks for watching.